Look out for our TOTS mystery word in today's video. Hey guys, it's Suzanne.
And Miss Piggy.
Hey Miss Piggy.
How you doing, Suzanne?
Good. We're going to play some special delivery with Precious the Panda. Do you want to help me send her home?
Oh, I love sending Precious home.
All right, so guys, make sure you're looking out for that TOTS mystery word throughout this video and see at the end if you got it.
Oh, here they're feeding time.
They are. It's time to feed the babies.
Oh, they like a little apple and strawberry.
Yep, and it doesn't matter how much you feed them, they get hungry again.
Oh, yeah, they'll keep eating.
Forever and ever.
Ever and ever.
Now, aren't these tots so cute, Miss Piggy?
Oh, they're very cute, but you know what?
What?
They're not as cute as me.
No.
No, they're not.
But they are really super cute.
Yeah.
All right, let's get them ready for their bath.
Oh, yeah, they need to brush their teeth.
No matter how many times I do this game, Miss Piggy, it never gets old.
I know. It's always like playing it new for the first time.
It is, and I just love to see these happy little babies' faces.
They got little smiles on their face.
They are so cute.
Oh.
And it's nap time now, though, so we have to be quiet.
Yeah, nappy time. Okay. Sweet dreams, little guys.
Miss Piggy, I've been playing a lot more games lately. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm not allowed to go outside anymore for a while. So I'm just staying inside, playing my game, watching my favorite YouTube videos.
Me too. I'm playing games and watching our videos.
Oh, I love our videos.
Oh, going through
Oh,
the little,
we got to send Precious the Panda to her forever home.
going through the tubey. Oh.
All right, let's send her home.
Woohoo! Here we go, Precious.
Make sure you guys are looking out for those mystery letters so that you can solve the mystery word at the end.
I know. I don't know what it is.
I'm going to do this balloon because I love Precious's
Oh.
balloon. You know what I found out?
What?
I was watching this show with Precious.
Oh, yeah.
And Precious has heart eyes that they
They glitter in the sunshine?
well, they do glitter, but they hypnotize you. Like, they're so super cute. They make you just fall in love with Precious.
Oh, falling in love.
Which is why they have this cute little heart balloon with all the bursting hearts.
Oh, hey, he's going high and then he's going low. Watch out for the thingies.
Wow, I've played this game so many times that I am amazing at this game. All right, guys, did you get the mystery word?
I hope so.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye, guys.